Well, just a quick update. Anyone considering buying one of these, be ready to use your snippers and feel like a surgeon when you're trying to take the probe off underneath this stupid chain. It is a 3-hand job, if you know what I mean by that. It's nice if you have 3 hands. Hopefully it doesn't time out or anything on me. Display, waiting on me to click OK. Well, I struggle to get this thing out. I'm really worried that I'm gonna pull these plugs out and then I'll have to rewire the darn thing. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and play or let you guys just watch me struggle with this for some hands-on experience. So I have to push the cable out of the way and get in there because my fingers, they're too big. I can't reach in there and grab it, and so I'm using these tweezers to try and pull it out, and I'm really worried about butchering this thing. Gosh, can't get in there. Come on. Okay, it's almost out. This is crazy. How hard this is to get this out. Like, it's absolutely crazy. Like, did they not think about where they put the cable chain or the sensor? This is so difficult. I've been working the last trying to get this out, and that's how far I've gotten it to come out. Just a tiny bit.